These smooth animations usually take 3 hours to make. I made them in just 2 minutes. First, take a look at these animations.
Subscribe and like to my YouTube channel. Create animation and earn the money for this website.
And to make this, you don't need editing or AI at all. I'm going to show you 5 tools like this, but one of them is so useful that nothing else even comes close. And whenever I talk about that one, I'll call it the bonus tool. It's 100% free, and you can customize it too. And that's not hard either. The first tool is Jitter AI. Just go to Google and search Jitter AI. It'll show up right in front of you. This is what it looks like. I have the app version, so let me walk you through it on my phone. This is the home page. It works best on a laptop or computer, so you'll need a decent phone or laptop for this one. That's actually why my phone is lagging right now, so I can't edit live. Just watch and figure it out yourself. But the bonus tool I'm saving for later will run even on an old 2001 style phone. So hit like on this video and subscribe to the channel so I can afford a better phone and keep earning from this, please. Video effects. Its homepage looks pretty much the same, so check it out yourself. My phone's still lagging. This tool is great if you want to subscribe and make animations for stuff like that. Let me build one animation for you right now. Say I like this one. I'll copy my channel link or username from YouTube and paste it in here. See, it just built the animation. Check out the rest yourself. Go to
Paste your channel username and he research your name and logo and he create your animation. This is for free. For watermark you remove for any AI and can browse this website
Google
watermark.
and search Auto AI. Then open it up. Click on Continue and then All Templates. Out of these, let's say I like this one, so I'll click on it. Whatever changes it needs, I'll make them, and our animation is ready. There's one more tool I'm holding back, where everything is completely free. Let me know in the comments what you want in the next video, and I'll make it happen. And subscribe, so I can keep leveling up what I create. Thanks for watching. There's a watermark showing up here. You can remove it from anywhere or just blur it out.